Chain link fence are widely used in highway, railway, highway and other fence facilities. Also used for interior decoration, raising chickens, ducks, geese, rabbits and zoo fence. Fence of mechanical equipment of the transmission network. Sports venues fence, the road greening fence. Chain link security fence is made from galvanized or PVC coated iron wire to fix with chain link fence post, brace and chain link fence posts to build a chain link fence system in the park, tennis court, airport and other places.